Hey guys, gonna cook with my mom. Okay, now let's get the fries. This fries. Now it's completely frozen. Let's make some water. Let's put some water. And just put right there. Just make it frozen. Now guys, let's cook. I make this frost for 10 minutes. Though it doesn't even defrost. Okay, now let's get this scissors. Ay, oh, that's wrong. Yeah, let's get the scissors. And now let's get this. Now it's completely watered. Give me this. Now come here. Now let's do it. Let's make it on and deep fry. Let's make it a bit. Let's make it this. Now how do we do this?
Get some oil. Wait.
I can't get it. Yes, wait. Let's do this. Yeah, let's put.
Okay, go.
That's weird. Let's. Yeah. Oh, the oil?
Yeah.
Oh, now let's put the fries. Now it's gonna be very careful. It's hot. Just put this slowly, but it may you may get burnt. Yeah. I didn't get burn marks, but that felt a little stinky. I just wanted to do this.
Okay.
Okay, now guys, let's stop. I got thing. That was my first time. Okay. Okay, now let's put this on. Yeah, no burn marks now. No, never. I'm never gonna do that again.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay lang yun. Ayun siya. Antayin natin siyang ma-fried. Okay na yung price. Okay na. Favorite niya po yung french fries.
Kahit ako I tried walking, but close my eyes. Stop na!
Ang cute mo.
Okay, now guys, I did this for 10 minutes straight. So hard. This is the price I only got. Few things. A few things fold. Let's taste it. Still hot. Nope. Safety first. It's actually hot. Okay. Hot?
Yeah.
I've been keeping this as secret for long, but this actually hurts. That map actually hurts, and I can eat super fast like before. So good. Good but hot. Like my mom.
And oily. Not healthy.
This is good and hot. That's mine. Mom.
Okay, daw mo na yung unahin ko. Unahin mo.
Okay guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.